Any successful NFT investor knows that getting in early on projects is absolutely critical. It's one of the most effective ways to make a small investment and get a multiplier effect, that 5x, 10x return on investment for your NFTs. That's most likely to happen when you get in early. So how do I find new NFTs on Solana before they mint? That's the question I'm going to be addressing here. And this is a tutorial video on how I go and find Solana NFTs to get on my radar that are going to be minting in the next week or two. So check it out. I am using a tool called Soluminati, and if you would like to get in on Soluminati, you need to visit the link in the description below, which will take you to Magic Eden, where you can purchase a Soluminati NFT. Once you own one of those NFTs, you connect it to Discord, and then you have access to the tools for a lifetime. It's an absolute bargain. These things are selling, I think, still under 2 Solana, and so this is a huge pickup. This is the best tool, in my opinion, that I've seen on Solana for finding new NFTs, as well as NFT analytics, etc. So I went into the Soluminati drops radar, and this is like essentially a spreadsheet in the web interface. So here in my Edge browser, where I can sort by mint date, I can search for NFTs, and I can check out to see when they're going to be dropped. And I also get social media information. And so this is the key thing that I look at. I'm looking for NFTs. I'm going to sort by date here. So today's February 13th. And it's awesome because I can see the items that are going to be the hottest, that are minting the soonest. So let's say I had some time to kill today and I wanted to mint some NFTs. I'm going to start by looking at the most hyped in terms of the largest Twitter and Discord following here in this column, and then choose those NFTs. So there's Soul Club, for example. There's one that looks really interesting. I can go ahead and open their Twitter and their website and see what it looks like. This is some kind of metaverse NFT. There's only 2,222, which also I can see right here inside of Soluminati, which is awesome. And I can see the mint price, so I know exactly what I'm getting myself into for the basics of the NFT. However, I will then, if I'm really thinking that this could be a good one because there's a lot of hype, the art looks good, etc., then I would go and join the Discord. Then I would do more research on Twitter, and I would check rad rugs to make sure there aren't any red flags on a rug pull, anything like that. Maybe cross-check in some of my alpha groups. There's all kinds of ways to do your own research once you find a promising lead, but I'm going to leave that up to you and maybe as a topic for another video. So as you can see, I have not just the 13th here, but all the way to the 14th, 15th. It just keeps going on and on. And yeah, not all the metadata is here, but Soluminati has been improving this gradually. And there's also this feature called Mints of the Day. So if I'm looking just at today, then I can go into this user interface on this page, and I can see this is today, and the community members can actually vote on which ones they think are good and which ones they think are bad. So for example, this one, Ninpo Gakko, I don't know anything about the project. I'm not trying to FUD, but it does have some downvotes, probably either because the social media following is small or because there's some kind of drama in the Discord, maybe some red flags on a rug pull or something like that. But therefore, this is one that I can rule out pretty quickly in my quick process here. And now this isn't the end all be all authoritative definition of what's good and bad and what's going to make you money and not. This is just a starting point so that you can dive into more detail later on. I also want to show you the Twitter radar because this shows the rate of growth of Twitter profiles. So if you see an upcoming NFT that you're interested in, you can search for that NFT in here and you can see how quickly they're growing over the 1 day percentage growth or 7 day percentage growth to see how much hype is building up, how fast the community is growing. And they have the same feature here this is for Discord. So when you go to the community radar, this will give you analytics for the official Discord growth and it shows you members and number of people who are active online, which is really cool. So That pretty much sums it up for the NFT research on how I find Solana NFTs that are going to be minting in the next week or so. This is not a comprehensive tutorial on how to vet those NFTs and choose them, but just how you kind of find them in the first place. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, then you're going to want to see the rest of the playlist, which I will link above, for my Solana Q1 2022 NFT tutorial video. It is the most comprehensive playlist about how to find, mint, flip, buy, sell strategies for Solana NFTs currently right now. And with that NFT IQ, I will see you in the next video.